Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about the domain, range and graph of the trigonometry functions sin x, y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. So in this video, so I will explain y is equal to tan x, tan. So y is equal to third one, y is equal to tan x. Okay. So what are the values of tan x? First I will write. See, tan x. So tan x. X is equals to 0 degrees, 30 degrees, okay, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1 half, tan 60, root 3, tan 90, infinity. Okay, so like that values are there. Understood or not? So how to draw the graph? See. So let us consider x-axis. Okay, x-axis through. And this is y-axis. Okay, now x-axis and y-axis. So x dash, x, y, y dash. Okay, now so this is y dash. So x, so let us consider the values from there. So pi by 2, okay, 0, this is 0, pi by 2, 5, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Here also minus pi by 2, minus 5, so and so on. So many values are there. Okay. So how to do this one? See, how to draw the graph? Okay. So here tan 90. Undefined is there, not tan 90 undefined. So wherever the undefined is there, you have to draw that one parallel line to the y, dotted lines then draw model. 90 degrees ಅಂತ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 90 means 5 by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು dotted lines ಒಳಗೆ, so one line you have to draw like this. See, 5 by 2. So like this. First you have to draw the line. Okay, na? So like that, I have to draw on a dotted line. Why sir? Like this means I will get. Next 3 pi by 2 also. Here also draw on a dotted line. Okay. And here also minus pi by 2 also. Okay. A dotted line. Understood or not? See. So this is main 0. Okay, the main 0 is 0. This is today. This is 0. Okay. So tan 0 is what? Tan 0. Tan 0 is 0. So get first point. Next tan 90. Tan 90. Tan 90 is infinity and area. So therefore curve is moving like this. Tan 45. Tan 45 is 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಇದು 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ so ನೋಡಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ನೋಡಿ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, 1. Next ಅದೇ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so it will moves like this, but ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So like that we have to draw. So same ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ like that. So like that we have to draw. Okay, so this function like this. Okay, same procedure. Tan by 0, tan 3 pi by 2. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ infinite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore like that it is moving like this. Okay, and same procedure it will follow. Same. Here also same. If 3 pi by 2 is there, so if you draw like this, okay. So pi ಇದರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So next like this. So this is the procedure you have to follow. Okay na? So ಈ ತರ procedure ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So this is the graph of the tan x function. Very easy ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay? So you have to follow by using these values. ಈ values ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will take same procedure ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the graph of the tan x function. Okay? Graph of the tan x function ಆಗಿದೆ. Next what is the domain and what is the range. See, what is a domain? Domain hige calculate ಮಾಡೋದು. Domain ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So if it domain means x axis ನೋಡಿ x axis ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 3/2 ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 5/2 ಅದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 5 - 5/2 ಅದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ಸ್? ಸೊ therefore domain x such that x belongs to R, okay, and x does not belongs to 2n plus 1 into 5/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ r multiples of 5/2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ so ಇದು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2n plus 1 5/2 r multiples of 5/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 5/2 3/2 5/2 7/2 ಈ ತರ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೂಡ ತಗೋ, -5/2 -3/2 ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ x not belongs to ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ರೇಂಜ್ is also the set of real numbers. ನೋಡಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ y axis set of real numbers. So therefore R. So range is equals to what? R. Range is equals to set of real numbers. So therefore this is about the graph of the tan x function and domain and range. Okay, tan x is over. Next we will move to the next graph is called cot x. Okay na? See my dear friends, so cot x. So cot ulta cot 90 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. cot 90 0. So cot 60 1/√3, cot 45 1, cot 30 √3. So cot 0 infinite. So this is a procedure. Okay, how to draw the graph? Okay, so this is y axis, y dash. Okay, next x axis, x dash. Okay, next 5/2. So I 3/2 2 okay. So here -5/2 -5 3/2 minus 2. Okay na? Understood or not? Huh?
Sign ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಇನ್ನು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಾಳೆ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. See my dear students, sorry for the interruption. Sorry. So here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So it is decreasing now. Infinity is 0. Okay. So where it is infinite 0. 0 to infinite 0. Okay. So here now dotted lines bridagalla. Leave it same. So pi to infinite agate. Pi to infinite agate. Okay. So dotted lines, raw lines, dotted lines. Okay. Here next minus pi andre dotted lines. Okay, so like that. Okay, now so cot 90 so it is 0 cot 90 0. Okay na? Next say cot 90 0 agara 90 inda infinite 0 ge infinite agutte andre first cot 0 infinite idella irutte 0 sorry 0. So idella infinite. So 0 and infinity decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So like that it is decreasing. Okay. So like that. Again it is decreasing. Right. So this is the cot x graph. Okay na? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? cot x graph. 0 ಇದೆ. So ಇದೇ ತರನೇ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈ ತರ. Okay. So like that. Okay. That is another. So ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay. Here. So here. So like that. So ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. For seeing purpose all are same ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ increasing function ಅದು. tan x means increasing function. So this is decreasing function. ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. decreasing function. This is a decreasing function. Increasing function, tan x is a increasing function. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಈ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬಂದರೆ 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ tan x ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ cot x graph. Understood or not? So this is the cot x graph. So how we can write the domain and range of the cot x graph? See, cot x, same procedure. Where it is undefined, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ undefined ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. pi ಹತ್ರ 2pi ಹತ್ರ -pi -2pi undefined. So therefore what is that? Domain is equals to x such that x belongs to R, okay, and x should not be n pi. X ಅನ್ನೋದು n pi ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. n may be 1 2 3 4 0 -1 -2 ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ undefined ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. cot 0 undefined, cot pi undefined, cot 2pi undefined. That's why. So n pi don't take. So this is a domain. So what is range, sir? Range means set of real numbers. Range is a set of real numbers. Okay, set of real numbers is a range. Understood or not? Set of real numbers is a range. Okay, this is cot x story. Okay, next we will move to the next concept called see, my dear students, like that we have to draw the cot x graph. Okay na? So this is the graph of the cot x and also the domain x belongs to R and x should not be n pi. N may be any integer. N is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 like that. So range is equals to set of real numbers. If you take any real numbers, so no problem. Okay na? So next we will move to the next graph. So my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt means comment below this video. Okay, otherwise ask through WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp message me, so I will communicate. So my dear students, okay, so if you have any doubt means you can ask at any time. Okay, any time only you ask, you can ask. Okay, so don't feel shy. Okay, so once again let us revision some formulas. Why? Because every day we have to revision ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ formulas na. ನೀವು revision ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ formulas you may forget. Okay, that's fine. Tell me, what is the sin theta? Sin means what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is cos? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is tan? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay, and what is the reciprocal for sin? Cosecant is the reciprocal for sin. So cosecant is equals to ulta. Sin ulta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sin ulta hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So secant is a reciprocal for cos is a reciprocal for secant. So therefore secant theta equals to ulta. Cos ulta ಅಂದ್ರೆ adjacent side, hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Next, cot is a reciprocal for tan. Okay, so therefore ulta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ulta ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so adjacent side divided by opposite side. So like that you have to revision every day, my dear students. Otherwise, so you will forget. That's it. Okay, and what is the formula for sin theta? 1 by cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta one formula is there. Sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equals to ulta. Cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. So like that we have to every day you have to revision. You revision ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ so your a retention power, otherwise imagination power will increase. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿರುತ್ತೆ, otherwise it will forget. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಬೇಡಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ನೀವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರುತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ? sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1, 1 plus tan square x equals to secant square x, 1 plus cot square x equals to cosecant square x. These are the three very very important identities already told. One identity also proved also. Okay na my dear student? So every day you have to practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. and radian in the degree measure, degree to radian measure. How to convert? What is the procedure? Pi by 180 na 180 by pi multiplication ಮಾಡೋದು. You have to think every day, you have to think, practice every day. Okay, in which quadrant it is positive, in which quadrant it is not positive? First quadrant all are positive, all. Second quadrant sin and its reciprocal cosecant are positive. Third quadrant tan and its reciprocal cot positive, remaining things negative. And last fourth quadrant cos and reciprocal secant positive, remaining things are negative. So like that every day. So what is the technique told? All silver teacups, that is a technique. Okay, ಇದೇನು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್. ಸೊ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಟೀ ಕಪ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಟೀ ಕಪ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ 2 to 3 days means it will retain in your mind. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. Okay, so tan 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta, already told in previous videos. Had to observe, you had to carefully observe those things. Okay, and you had to write, you had to practice, and also you had to practice ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. You have to learning is very very important. Okay, so my dear students, if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.